Hey, James with Detailed Image. Polishing your paint can be an overwhelming process with so many tools and products available. I'm going to show you an easy, one-step process on how to significantly improve your paint. Today we're working on a brand new vehicle, and the first thing we want to do is inspect the finish with LED lights. To polish the paint safely, you can measure the paint with a paint thickness gauge. Let's set up your machine, pad, and polish combination. Apply 4 dime-sized drops of polish right on the pad, and to avoid any sling, tap that pad right onto the panel. Work the polish in at speed 3 to 4 across a 2x2 section using overlapping passes. To get the best out of your polishing step, use medium pressure and slow arm movements. After 3 to 4 passes, wipe off with a microfiber towel and inspect. My last point is this: as you move from panel to panel, clean your pad often to remove paint and polishing residue.